So you all asked me about my now skincare routine. I'm going to show you some of the things. And also the other question was, can I do a luxury skincare routine video? And I will be able to do that in, let's say, the next video after this one. But I just want to show you all some of the things that I really have been enjoying. For one, it is Chanel's La Mousse. This is a foaming cleanser. Blue algae is in here. It definitely is an anti-pollution cleanser. And I love it because I travel a lot and you're always exposed to the external. And this is a foaming cleanser, so I love to use that. The next thing that I love to use right after that is a serum. And this one is from Lancome. This is a brightening serum. It's called Clarifique. And I love this. A little bit goes a long way. As you can see, it's pretty viscous. I try to keep it away from the window because it's in a glass transparent bottle. And if you know anything about actives that are brightening agents, they could definitely be compromised by sunlight. So keeping them in a dark area is key. But this works really good. I love the smell of it. It's not overpowering, not overwhelming, and it's really been helping to even out my skin tone. And of course, I have an esthetician, so I will also add that caveat in there as well. And they use SkinCeuticals on my skin and sometimes La Mer. Um, the next thing I would go on top of is my Hydro Beauty from Chanel. Now, on days when I wear makeup, Demaquillant Yeux, this is for the eyes, but I've been using this all over the face, and that's why it's almost done. But this breaks down all of my makeup so easily, so beautifully. That's why I love this product so much. And I'm not just using it on my eyes, and I probably, yeah, I definitely have to get another one of those. So yeah, I've been using that. And on my eyes, well, I'll go into this next. I'll go into this little travel size renewal oil from La Mer that came in this little kit here. Um, what I love about this is it really brings your skin to, I don't know, a place of health, I feel, in homeostasis. It really helps the skin to look healthy, alive. Okay, let's go into this next one from La Mer. Can you all see that? This is a renewal oil. It came in this little travel kit. I love this kit so much. And thank you to Carmen for putting me on. She's from La Mer. You all, this works so good on the skin. And it helps the skin to look healthy, more resilient, and especially at nighttime, your skin, you wake up and it's pillow soft. The next product, and I use this religiously, it is the Chantecaille Stress Repair Eye Concentrate. Oh my goodness, you all, this is definitely a staple, and I will show you all how empty this is. So as you can see, this is pretty empty. That's me going crazy using this everywhere I go. Really love this product. The stress repair eye concentrate also has not only peptides, but also caffeine in there, which is a vasoconstrictor, helps to, minimize puffiness. It also deals with any dark under eye circles. So I love that. And I won't lie, you all, sparingly, I've been using the Paula's Choice because this is a liquid exfoliant. I don't exfoliate a lot, but this is really, really good on the skin, and it's also brightening and cleaning out the pores. So days when I'm wearing makeup, I will gravitate to this, which I'm not, gravitating to it a lot because I'm not wearing makeup so much, but that's my jam right there. That's my jam. Um, Another product that I'm in love with is Tom Ford. Soliel Blanc. Do a body exfoliant, put this on. I use the Canvas Beauty moisturizer, and then I put this on top. I also, if I'm letting out the decollete, having the decollete and shoulders out, this with either Patrick Ta or Canvas Beauty. So really good product. Like this, as you can see, is almost done. And I will repurchase if I'm done with this. And then this is one of my favorites. This is a repurchase over and over again. It's the Tatcha Lip Sleeping Mask. It is so good. I love Tatcha's products, and I probably will do a review on that line. But yeah, this lip sleeping mask, after you exfoliate the lips, put this on, go to bed, you'll wake up with pillow soft lips. And I bought this from the Ritz-Carlton in Palm Springs. You all, this is from Diptyque. I bought this from the Ritz-Carlton. It was $50. But what I really love about this is when I spray my body and I put this on my hands, on my legs, anywhere in between using the Canvas Beauty. This emulsion really works good on the skin. It's thick, and as you know anything about, being in the desert, it's very dry. So you need this, and I use a spray bottle and spray water on, and then use this. So yeah. So that is my updated skincare routine. And of course, I have some little goodies in my La Mer pouch because I still have a lot more traveling. And just in case I run out of any of this stuff, I still have a backup travel case of my La Mer, which is still a very loved brand from me. I love this brand so much. And of course, I've done a lot of work with La Mer and Estee Lauder, and I'm forever grateful. And I hope that never changes. So, yeah. Really, really love La Mer. All right, ladies, let's do makeup. Now, I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, Modern Renaissance, and Soft Glam. And I love these palettes so much. I love Anastasia so much. I also have fallen back in love with NARS because I kind of went away from NARS and started using like Valentino. And I do love Valentino, don't get me wrong. But there's certain things from NARS that I'm like, I got to go back to my Macau. I've got to go back to this. I've got to go back to that. And yeah, Exhibit A, oh my gosh, that's like the fave. But I wanted to show y'all my collection. It's super small, y'all. You remember I used to come like travel with a big kit, and now I'm just traveling with this Hermes case. And the reason why is because a month ago in San Francisco, the housekeeper stole all of my Chanel makeup. And now I had to file a claim with their insurance company. Now, let me tell y'all, I watch videos like from Tamara Clinic and all these other influencers when they have gotten robbed, and who feels it knows it. It is the most violating, most vile feeling that you have because I've worked hard to get this stuff. I'm not on Chanel's PR. I pay for everything that I buy from Chanel. My Tom Ford Libertine lipstick, that was not gifted. I actually paid for that lipstick. So it was like a lot of things that they stole that it was like, I know I can make the money. I know I can buy those things again, but do I really want to? And that was a problem for me. Like, and just that feeling of that was the only day I had housekeeping, and that was the day my stuff went stolen. And I didn't realize it until later on, because I had so much makeup with me to shoot content. So I'm not doing that anymore. So my little collection is very small, and I'm keeping certain things in rotation, and I feel like I can create a lot of looks with my between my two ABH palettes. I'll be fine. So yeah, but anyway, let's get into this makeup look because I had to jump into that because y'all, I was so mad. Another thing that I do with my um, face is I have an esthetician, so I go in and get my facials a lot. They use a gua sha a lot to do the lymphatic drainage, and it's really helping to sculpt my face. Also, I have my brows laminated and tinted. For my lips, I have nothing done to my lips, but you guys, I'm thinking about getting that, like, the tattoo pink kind of color to my lips, like change the color. My mom is not for it. I wanted filler before. Remember, I shared that, and that slowly has become obsolete because I started doing more and more research. And that's my thing. Don't just jump on what you see happening on social media. Do it by researching. And I had to research to learn more about that. So, yeah. is the On Vacation Tom Ford and the Canvas Beauty Siama. And now I'm out of Siama, so I'm not sure. I may have to order something while I'm out here. But as you can see, it makes your body look beautiful. And imagine this on the legs. And I just came out of the shower. My body was still damp and I just put everything on. So you can do it that way, or you can spray the body. But this is my outfit. The top is actually from a African boutique out in Merritt Island. And I'm just wearing some really nice leggings from Saint Laurent. I'm just gonna carry my Chanel Classic flap. I'm running out of the hotel right now. So yeah, let's get out of here.